So hello everyone, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? I am Kush and in today's video I am going to talk about some great resources you could use to learn Python, and these resources are on YouTube. That is some channels that you could get for learning Python from scratch. So these are the resources that I personally used to learn Python from scratch, and even I found some resources while learning Python. So if you know some other great channels too, then you can definitely add it in the comment section. You can comment it down. And another thing I want to talk about, that I am not promoting any channel over here. It's like what I personally found and was helpful to me is going to be delivered over here. So that's about that. And if you have not watched my video, that is which programming language you should start from, then definitely you can watch that video. The link to that video is in the description box. So let's get started with this video. So basically I have divided it like firstly, if you want to learn Python in like Hindi or English, then depending on that I have two channels over here. Like firstly, if you want to learn Python in Hindi, then we have a channel named Code with Harry. And if that's like if you want to have feel of Hindi while learning Python, then Code with Harry is a channel you can definitely watch content. He has made a playlist of a whole Python, and you can definitely go through his content. It's very nice. And another channel, if you are proficient to learn in English, or if you are comfortable learning in English, then definitely we have a channel named Telescope, which you can use for learning Python. He has also created a playlist where Telescope has we have Navin Reddy sir teaching about Python, and also very good content over there. Now I've talked about these two channels. Now the third channel is like Code Help, which is from Love Babbar Bhaiya, and where we have even Harman Bhaiya teaching about. He has created a playlist. He had created a playlist like containing 15 videos completing whole Python. In 15 videos, he is covering topics like loops, iteration, that is loops, the iterational if-else statements, and functions, dictionaries, list, and all those concepts being covered. And the main thing is they've solved the questions, some on HackerRank, so you can definitely get help through, because by solving questions we get our concept clear. Just by doing theory we cannot get it clear. When we do questions we get feel of learning the concept. So that's what about that. Now next two channels what I'm going to talk about is, one is CS50 and another is Tech with Tim. So if you mainly I'm talking about CS50 first. So if we talk about CS50, then in CS50 we have, CS50 is a course kind of thing where we are having all computer science fundamentals being covered in that. But if you want to learn Python, then you can go to that section of Python. It's around like 2.5 hours or more than that, even that you can get to that. Such great content is provided over there. You can also learn it from there itself. Now what I'm talking about is, like, if you are done Python and you have not got to the application part of Python, then definitely you can check out the channel that is Tech with Tim. He has provided lots and lots of content related to Python, where you can not even only learn Python, but you could get into Python by building games. That is like the application part of what you have learned. You can make games like that snake game that we used to play in that keypad phone when we were small, and all those related games like Flappy Bird game and all those things being provided in this channel. And another thing that I wanted to add, he has also created content related to machine learning. His channel is full of playlists related to Python. So these were 5 channels that I talked about. If you really like this video, then like it, you can hit the thumbs up. And another thing is, like, if you are liking if you like my content on this channel, then definitely you can subscribe my channel. So this was about all this video. Thank you all.